Oh, this is snow. My phone got wet last short, and then I tried to oh my goodness, what is happening? Oh, my hoodie got blown off. Anyways, I tried to make a last short. And my phone got wet, and I was trying to wipe the water off my phone, and I stopped the video. My bad. It's kind of cool, literally, because like you see all this snow here, and then you look on the ground. There's like barely any snow here, and it's just all whoa. That scared the crap out of me. Freaking huge ball of snow just dropped right in front of me. Freaking Mother Nature's trying to kill me. The snow is so soft. Kind of. This mound of snow is just old snow from last time. Whoa! Foot sank really deep. There's like no snow here, and then there's so much snow. It's like, what's happening? It's crazy. Because like it just goes here, but then it just stops. Like this. This is open. There are no trees. What? There's no snow here. Why? Either it melted instantly for some unknown reason. Because all of this didn't melt, but that did. Or it just did not snow there for some weird reason. Look at this. This is pretty cool. This is all ice. Kind of melted snow. It looks like ice. But all the water is traveling from here. Because it's from the old snow melting. And you can see down there. I can stick my phone down there. Probably a bad idea. This is pretty cool. Literally. I just like follow the water. Oh, this is deep. Oh, ew. It's like mushy here. This is weird.